If you run a dental office, one of the fastest ways to lose new patients is letting website chat, Facebook messages, or Invisalign consultation requests sit unanswered, as most patients tend to contact multiple dentist offices at once, especially for emergency tooth pain, cleaning, braces, cosmetic dentistry, in addition Invisalign quotes. So if your team replies late, they usually book with the first dentist office that responds. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Respond.io for dentists. I'll be showing you how to centralize patient inquiries, automate FAQs, and book more appointments, and reduce no-shows and increase recall visits. For example, if we were to go onto Facebook Messenger, and you can see that I've started a conversation right here by asking what services they offer. So let's say, for example, I would like to book a teeth cleaning. I can tap right there. After selecting I would like to book a teeth cleaning, you'll just give it a few seconds and you'll realize that the AI will automatically respond by sending me a booking link after asking my full name. So I'll simply type in my name right here. After adding the name, you can see right there, it is going to be asking me a follow-up question. Then eventually it will send me the booking link and I'll be able to book a service. And just like that, it doesn't matter the hour, 24/7, you'll be able to book services and persons will also be able to get a response. And you can set this up so that they'll be able to communicate with your AI agent on your website, Facebook Messenger, Instagram. It doesn't matter the platform, you'll be able to automate it. And this service can also be done on WhatsApp, better yet. So for example, you can see right here, this is a WhatsApp message that I was having earlier, and you'll be able to also offer the service, and you'll also be able to communicate with your clients quite easily on WhatsApp, even if they were to send a voice note. Now let me show you how to set it up, as it's quite straightforward. The first thing you need to do is tap the link in the description. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on Start Free Trial. After you have selected Start Free Trial, you'll be prompted to sign up. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And we're going to connect our channels. So you're going to tap on Connect Channel, and you're going to tap right here. You want to connect all of the different channels that you use to interact with your patients. For example, you'll be able to connect WhatsApp Business, TikTok Business, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, numerous options as you can see right here. You can also scroll down and you'll be able to connect your email provider. And you can also set up your website chat. So you can tap on Connect right here, then you'll select Connect. And from here you can choose the icon that you'd like to use. And all you need to do is paste in your website URL. After you have done that, you'll be given an example of how you'll be able to connect it onto your website. And if it is a case that you'd like to connect it, for example, on Facebook Messenger, you'll simply tap on Connect, then you'll tap on Connect with Facebook, and you'll be redirected to the Facebook page, and you can simply tap on Continue, and just like that, you'll be able to connect it onto your Facebook Messenger. It's as easy as that. Once you have connected that, you no longer have to juggle multiple inboxes, as this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Respond.io. By going over to the left-hand menu option, if you were to tap on the third icon, which would be Inbox, from here you'll be able to monitor all of the messages from all of the different platforms, so you no longer need to have multiple tabs open. So for example, you can tap on All, and you'll be able to see all of the messages, and you can also use Respond.io for calls if you want, and you can go into this section and you'll be able to assign different customers to different team members or so on if you want, and I'll be showing you how to do that. But the next thing I want to show you how to do is build or customize your own AI agent. To do this, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select AI agents. After selecting AI agents, you're going to tap on Create AI Agent, and you have 3 different agents that you can choose from. You have the receptionist option, which would greet contacts, identify their needs, capture essential details, and efficiently route conversation to the right team or person for further assistance. You also have the sales agent and support agent. Let's say, for example, we were to select the receptionist. We're going to tap on Use Template. After you have selected Use Template, you're just going to scroll down and you'll need to add a knowledge source. The knowledge source is basically the information that you want to feed the AI agent. For example, you can tap right here. You could choose to upload a file, or you can choose to add your website. By adding the website, it will automatically scrape your website and get all of the information about the different services you offer and so on. So it will become a well-trained employee. For example, it will be able to scrape the service page, Invisalign page, pricing FAQs, insurance info, office hours, doctor bio, cancellation policies. So now the AI can instantly answer questions like how much is Invisalign? Do you take my insurance? Do you do same-day emergency visits? And what time do you open tomorrow? It will be able to answer all of those questions once you have tapped on add website and you have added your knowledge source name and put in the website URL right there. Now after you have done that, you can test it out here by asking it a few questions, and then you'll simply tap on publish. Now after you have published the AI agent, what I want you to do next is you're going to go back and you're going to see the option set default right here. You're going to tap on edit. After you have selected edit, you're going to select the agent that you have created. After you have selected the agent that you have created, you're going to tap on all contacts and you're going to tap on save. This means that the AI agent will be able to automatically respond 24/7 to any query that someone should have on any platform. And you can see right here that it is still waiting on my response. And if I were to, for example, message it on WhatsApp or so on, it will be able to automatically answer. Now, next thing I want you to do is automate the booking workflow. So when someone asks about cleaning, whitening, veneers, Invisalign, or emergency dental clear, Respond.io will be able to qualify the treatment type. To set up a workflow, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, select workflows, then you're going to tap on add workflow. From here, you're just going to tap on start from scratch. And by the way, you have different templates that you could choose from. So you can look through the templates and see if any one of those would respond with the service that you would like to offer. So we're going to tap on start from scratch. Then I'm just going to be giving it a name, so I'll call it test. Then we'll tap on create. After you have selected create, you can choose the trigger. So you'll tap on select a trigger. Let's say for example, conversation opened. Then after you have done that, you're going to tap on the plus right here. And you'll be able to send a message. So for example, you could tap on send message. And the message could be something as simple as hello, how may I help you? After you have done that, you'll tap on the plus. Once you have tapped on the plus, from there you will be able to create a branch. So the branch will basically be two different outcomes. So for example, depending on the service that you're asking for, you can redirect them, for example, to a human handoff, or you can simply, for example, add the option where you'll be able to send them the booking calendar. So you have different options that you can set up. You can also set up workflows, for example, for no-show. So for example, you can automate 24-hour reminders, 2-hour reminders, location direction, fasting or prep instructions, reschedule links, and so on. You'll be able to do all of that with Respond.io in this section. And once you're finished, you'll just tap on publish, and just like that, you'll be able to have different workflows. You'll also be able to set up 6-month cleaning recalls and so on. So you can create basically any workflow you want in this section. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish. Now, who is this best for? Respond.io is best for dental offices that get frequent patient inquiries through website chat, social DMs, Messenger, WhatsApp, and multiple receptionists. Also, in addition, several dentists. Now, who is this best for? Respond.io is best for dental offices that get frequent patient inquiries through website chat, social DMs, Messenger, WhatsApp, or you have multiple receptionists and several dentists or hygienists. If your appointments start with conversations, it's a strong fit. So, is Respond.io good for dentists? In conclusion, I would say absolutely. Help dental offices answer faster, automate FAQs, reduce no-shows, increase Invisalign consults, and also improve Google reviews. And it can also boost 6-month recall visits. If it is a case that you would like to give Respond.io a try, I've left my link below. And with Respond.io, while you can get started for completely free, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $99, and the option that I would recommend you use is the Growth Plan. With the Growth Plan, you'll be able to get access to all of the AI features and add up to 10 users. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.